In this video, I will show you how to create this same landing page that will allow you to collect subscribers' email addresses to build your email list and promote the thank you page that we imported earlier to promote multiple affiliate programs and also to give some valuable training to your subscribers. So previously we saw how to import this same thank you page and then add your affiliate links to it, and now we are going to take care of the landing page. So this landing page will be used to promote the whole system. You will be promoting this same exact landing page, and we will create it on Google Sites. If you go to Google and you type Google Sites and then enter, you will be on a page like this one, or you can just type sites.google.com, enter. I already created two websites here. Actually, it's two landing pages, but you will have no websites here. All you have to do is click on the plus sign here to start creating our landing page. So let's go ahead and do it. I click the plus button here, and Google Sites will present me with an empty template to start. But like this is based on a theme, but I don't want to use a complete theme. I just want to use the style. So I'm going to choose this impression theme here. But I will get rid of everything that is already on the website or on the landing page, and I will start from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is give a name to your website, and let's call it, for example, here Viral Affiliates, just to make it different than the previous one. So this is my website. It's called Viral Affiliates, and I like to remove the title here so it doesn't appear on the top of the page. So I know that my website is called Viral Affiliates, but I don't see it on the top of the website. Now, anytime you want to add something to the page, to the landing page, you click on this tab that says Insert, and there are lots of objects or elements that you can insert into this brand new landing page. But before that, let's take a look at this page here, and you can see that it has a big headline, a paragraph, and then a section with a graphic plus bullet points, another section with graphic and the opt-in form, and the last section, which is just a paragraph. So I'm going to reproduce this on the brand new landing page. Let me just grab this one, copy and paste. And by the way, when creating your landing page, you just copy and paste from this one here. So I copy this big headline, and then I come here and then I click on text. I select the style to be a title, and then I will just Control V to paste that big headline. Now I have my headline ready. Now remember, the next section was a graphic plus some bullet points. If I go to the builder again, I have that section right here. So all I have to do is drag it and drop it here. So I can add the graphic here and then put the bullet points right here. So let's go ahead and import the graphic. And by the way, when you access to your landing page and you go all the way to your thank you page and you go all the way down, I prepared for you something to download. The bottom of the page, it says here download the graphics. You can download by pressing this button here. There will be a zip file which I will show you in a second, this one here, and when you unzip it, you will find inside of it some graphics used in this project, but you will also see this code to add, and we will talk about it in a little bit. So the graphic I wanted to add is this one here. So all I have to do is go back to the builder and then click on this plus sign, and then it says upload, and then of course I will go to that folder, which is this one, and then this one here, and then I want this graphic here. Alright, now I can play with the dimensions. Just make sure you keep the aspect ratio. So now the graphic is here. I want now to go back and bring those bullet points. Before that, let me just remove this little field here by pressing on the trash can here, and now I'm going to paste those bullet points right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the landing page and then bring these bullet points just like this. Control C, copy, and then I will just Control V to paste them here. Now there was a paragraph between these two sections here, so no problem. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the text here, and then I will drag it and drop it anywhere I want. So I want to put it actually here, and then I will go back to my landing page. You can copy this text here as it is, copy it, go back to the builder and just paste it here as a regular text. Get rid of that space, and now you know what, let's go ahead and publish. So we click the publish button here, and it says the web address will be Viral Affiliates. Yes, I'm okay with that, but you can change this name, and pay attention to this. Your landing page URL will be this: http sites.google.com/view/ the name that you will give here. So this actual website will be this URL here. So let me just go ahead and publish. And before that, one more thing: never put this request public search engines to not display my website. I mean, your landing page will not be discovered on the search engines if you tick this one. So leave this one alone and click on publish. And now it says that it has been published. If I want to preview what I already done, I click on this little arrow and then click view published website, and then it will open on a new tab. So now we are here and we want to continue until we get all this landing page made. Let's close this one. Let's make things like centered the same, like this one. It doesn't have to be larger than the top headline. Let's do this a little bit smaller. And now what I want to do is put the second section with a graphic and some text. So I'm going to grab the same section here and drop it here. I'm going to click this button to upload the second graphic, which is this one here, and now resize it and keep the aspect ratio. So this is good. Now this second position here will take the opt-in form. So we need to get rid of these fields here and bring another type of objects here. So let's remove this one, and let's remove this one as well. So this place is empty, and I want to put an embed or HTML code in order for me to have an opt-in form on this place here. So let me put this, and I will click on embed code, and I'm supposed to bring the code from Leads Leap. But let's stay just here for a second and make a little bit of work on the opt-in form code itself. So we previously built or created this email list on Leads Leap. It has 0 subscribers. Nobody has subscribed yet because we didn't do any promotion. Why? Because we did not integrate the opt-in form on our landing page yet. So to get the code for the opt-in form, you need to click on this button here. By the way, if you didn't see the video how to create the email list on Leads Leap, go on top of this video and you will find it. Watch that video and you will understand exactly what is this email list and how we created it. But now we want to attach this email list to our landing page via the opt-in form code that we will have from here. Now look at this. I will take this code, I will copy it, and then I will go back to Google Sites and paste it. So here I am back at the Google Sites Builder, and then I want to paste the code here, and then I click Next. And then as you can see, the form is here. It's fully functional, but it's not as nice as the other page. So let me insert it just to show you that you can drag it and drop it anywhere you want. You can resize this just like this, but this is not exactly how I want the form to be. I want it to be like this. So I want the form to look like this. One will be bigger, this one will be a graphic button. There is no name field, there is only the email field. So let's do some work on that code and then bring it back here. So this is a free HTML editor application that you can download for free anytime you want. All you have to do is type Composer, download on Google search. Composer with a K and with a Z, download, and you will see this website called composer.net, and when you open it you will see something like this, and you'll be able to download this free HTML editor, which is great, by the way, because you have like 3 different views. You have the design view, the page, how it looks like, the split view, you see the code and the page, and source, you see only the code. We are going to use this HTML editor just to make some changes on the opt-in form. So what I want to do, after you download this and you open it, you want to go to source and then remove everything and put the code that you got from Leads Leap. This is your opt-in form code. So if I click on design here, I can see the fields. This is the email, this is the name, these are hidden fields, and this is the submit button. So first thing I want to do here is remove this one for the name. It's the second one, and then I want to press enter and maybe click here and press another enter, and now I want to make everything in the middle here centered. So I will go back to source, and then after body I will type just this. Inside, I enter inside, then I put center. So this tag here, center, will center the form in the middle of the page, as you can see here. Now I have some code to add some style to this form. So I gave you, when you download that folder, you will find a text document saying code to add. So open it and you will find 2 lines. One line to be used with the email field, and another line which will be used with the button field. So let's grab the first line here from this text, and then I want to go back to Composer where I'm doing some modifications on my form. I want to go to split. I can see here that I have the code here and I have the form here, and I'm searching for the field of the email address. So the email address field is this one here, input name. There's a code required. placeholder, enter your email address, type his email. But before I close this one here, just after type email, I will paste the line that I brought from Composer. So paste it, and then I will go design, and here we go. You can see now that the email field is bigger. Now I want to replace this submit button with the graphical button. Don't want to select, okay, if I don't select anything, I can see all the code. So what you need to do now to change this button is go back to the text file that I gave you, grab the second line, which is an image tag. As you can see, image, and there is a link to the image. So you take it as it is, and then you go here where it says, I'm searching for the button, so it starts here, button, type, submit, and then the word submit, and then slash button. So what I want to do is replace this word here, submit, that is written here on the button. I want to replace it with the graphic, so I just paste the line for the image. I click here, and as you can see, I have my image. Now the code that I have here is good to be placed on the Google Sites. Now remember, when you copy the new code, you copy from the tag form until slash form. So start from form method equal post until slash form. This is the code for your opt-in form. So you need to Control C, copy it, and then let's go back to Google Sites here, and I want to replace the code that is already here. So I select this object, click on the pencil, and now I want to get rid of this code and put the new code, Control V. Now I click on next, and as you can see, I have this form here. Alright, it's not centered because I didn't add the center tag. So let me go back, and just before the first form, the first tag that needs to be there is that center inside. So I just added this tag, center, and next, save. And now these two elements are centered. Let me make it a little bit taller, higher, like this, and then publish. So this is how it will be. Yes, I'm okay, publish. And then I want to see it. Click on this little arrow, view published site, and now I have this headline, this section, the opt-in form. So I'm still missing a graphic here, the one that says this is a special offer. I want to click on the image, upload, and then I want to search for it. I think it's here. Alright, it's here, limited time special offer. Double click on it, and then drag it and drop it right here. Of course, you can resize the things, you can respect the aspect ratio of the graphics. You can play a little bit with all this to make it compelling. Now we are missing one last paragraph here at the bottom of the page, and which is the affiliate disclosure. Let me just organize this. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Now I'm going to grab a text box and click on it, and I want to actually paste the affiliate disclosure at the bottom of this page. So let me go grab it from this page here. So select the affiliate disclosure, copy it, and then get back to the editor and paste it here. So I have just built my landing page in few minutes. Let me publish it, and then of course I will go ahead and preview it or view the published site, and here is exactly what it looks like. And I'm sure that you can tweak all these things to make it look just like this one, rectangular. And yeah, So at this point, you are ready to promote your new landing page, and you are sure that anyone who subscribes through this opt-in form, he will receive an activation email, and after that he will be redirected to your thank you page that you imported prior to this, and he will see your affiliate links, and every time someone upgrades from your thank you page, you get a commission. Now here is a big question. What is the affiliate link what is the link for my landing page that I will be promoting? So on the builder here on Google Sites, click on this link here, and when you hover over it, it says copy published site link. So you can click on it, and here is exactly the site that you will be, the landing page that you will be promoting. You can remove this last word here that says home, because you don't really need it. Let me copy this and open it on a new tab. So if I put in a new tab and paste the link, click on it, it will bring me to the new landing page I just created. And anyone who registered here, he will go to my email list. But look, even if I remove the last word here, home, and then I click enter, it goes to the same page. So your landing page URL will be sites.google.com/view/whatever you named your page or your site. So this is the link that you want to promote in order to build your email list, to contact them anytime you want, and also to show them your thank you page, which has the training to offer for free and which has your affiliate links that might make you commissions. I hope you got some value from this training. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.